channel. Obviously, as you would have seen by the title, I'm going to be making banana loaf. If you do follow my Instagram, then you would have seen I made it like last week. So that went really well. It was so good. So I thought I'd make a video of it because why not? I have nothing else to video during this time. So the recipe I'm using is by BBC Good Food. I will link that recipe down below so that you can make the exact one, because this recipe is amazing. I have my laptop down here with all the ingredients and the method, as it is obviously not my own recipe. I have my loaf tin. I can't actually find the baking parchment paper, so that's really annoying. I'm literally just going to butter the loaf tin because what else am I meant to do if I don't have any parchment? Great start to the video. I don't have parchment paper, I can't find it, so that's brilliant. What I'm going to do is literally I've just caked it with butter so that just in case I can't find any parchment, at least it is really oily so it shouldn't get stuck. Then after we've done that, we need to cream together 140 grams of softened butter and 140 grams of caster sugar together until light and fluffy. Just going to quickly measure that out in the scales. Got 140 grams of butter. I'm just going to put that into the whisk. Now that I have weighed that out, I'm going to then weigh my caster sugar out, which is also the same 140 grams. Put that in. Don't know if you can hear me, but while that is mixing, I'm going to crack my 2 large eggs, which is what you need, 2 large eggs into here, whisk those up, and then also need 140 grams of flour in a separate bowl. Now you'll need self-raising flour for this, so 140 grams to weigh that out, and then just to make sure there aren't any clumps, I'm going to sift that from the weighing scale bowl into another bowl because I don't want there to be any clumps. Then I'm going to put a tiny amount of this 140 grams of flour. Change on over to another station. As that is now combined, I'm going to quickly mash up my ripe bananas. These are my bananas, but these are very mushy, so it does say 2 large, but these are very small, so I'm just going to mash 3. Oh well, doing it for the cake. I also don't completely mash them, so I obviously mash all of it so there isn't any big clumps, but I don't mash it to the extent where it's like a liquid. I like to leave small chunks because it tastes a lot like banana that way. That is all mashed. It does look a bit chunky, but as I just said, I like it like that. I only used a little bit of the flour. I'm just going to use the rest of the 140 grams of flour because in the recipe it does say don't use all 140 when blending it in with the egg. Okay, just taking that off of there. I'm just going to mix it myself. Now you want to add a teaspoon of, is it a teaspoon? Yeah. You want to add a teaspoon of baking powder to that. Probably should have sifted that, but oh well. I'm then going to add like half of what's left of the flour. I'm going to fold that in together. Once I've folded that in, I'm going to add all of this banana. So I've found the baking parchment paper. I'm going to take a small amount. Like literally like quite a small amount, and just put it in there because I hate when it creases. We don't want no chunks in this banana bread. Now I'm gonna put that in for, it says 30 minutes, but I found last time I needed to leave it in there for about 40-45. But basically, when you stick a skewer in it comes out clean. I'm just gonna put that in there now. So I'm gonna quickly wash up that and then I will get back to you in a second. So I thought while the banana loaf is in the oven, also I do have to really like I don't have one on, but I do, just so you know. I thought I would answer some of your unpopular opinions. I asked this quite a few weeks ago on my Instagram, but I was gonna do a video specifically based on this, but I just didn't know when I was going to do that video, so I just thought I'd incorporate it into here. So I've got quite a few responses here, quite a few of you put in your suggestions, so thanks for that if you did. Also, if you do want to cooperate in any of my, replying to one of my stories, and I will just have the name on the screen now. So the first unpopular opinion we have is bounties are peng, and so is Marmite. I hate Marmite, like with a passion. I hate it so much, so I don't agree with that. But bounties, they're all right. I used to love them when I was little, but I've kind of gone off them now, but they're okay. Just had to get myself some water. Nutella is gross. Who doesn't like Nutella? Nutella, I love Nutella, so if you think Nutella is gross, unless you are like allergic to nuts, then fair enough, but if you just don't like it, then like what the hell is wrong with you? Unpopular opinion, but I don't like you. Katie, you didn't want me to bait you out, and now I'm gonna bait you out. Love you. Unpopular opinion, but I'm enjoying quarantine. I am quite enjoying it. I go back to work on Monday though, and it's Saturday today, so that's really annoying. I was furloughed for like 4 weeks, but if you don't have a job, then obviously you probably are enjoying it. Potatoes are overrated. I love potatoes. I love mashed potato, I love roast potatoes, I love wedges, I love boiled potatoes, I love jacket potatoes. I don't know what other potatoes there are, but I just love potatoes. My sister came in, how great. Another one, Nutella is overrated. Don't know if you guys are just doing that for attention or you actually think it is, because I just don't know. Like, I just don't understand. Boob size doesn't matter. Well, I'm a girl, so I can't really agree or disagree, but I don't really care. I don't really care personally, like I don't base my friends off of if they have big or small boobs, but you know, whatever floats your boat, you know, whatever floats your boat. Bounty is the best celebration. That is very unpopular opinion. I would say Malteser is the best, or Milky Way. I do love myself a Milky Way. Avocado tastes of nothing and people only eat it for the aesthetic. Not gonna lie, I love avocado. Like, not gonna lie, it has a slight taste, not much, with a bit of soul, even like in a salad. Amazing, I love it. Good Luck Charlie is SHIT, and also Sims. Thank you, Marinus. Thank you so much. First of all, I love Sims, so excuse me, loads of people love Sims. Sims is amazing. If you don't love Sims, I can't be friends with you. And Good Luck Charlie is not poo. Sleeping in jeans is so comfy. I can't even sit in jeans for more than 10 minutes without being uncomfortable. I'm even wearing mum jeans today and they are just like driving me insane. Ham and pineapple on pizza is sexy. No. No. Peanut butter is filth. Once again, if you're allergic to nuts, then fair enough. But if you're not, what the hell? Maybe this person just hasn't had smooth peanut butter. Because smooth peanut butter, my heart goes out to it. McDonald's is overrated. McDonald's is overrated. Lockdown has made me realise how much I love McDonald's, and I can't wait for it to open again so that I can literally buy all the food on the menu. Oh my god, I know one of my videos after lockdown. Ketchup belongs on pasta. No. I definitely have gone off of ketchup, like majorly. Mayo. Mayo is everything right now. I love mayo. Milk goes first, otherwise your cereal gets soggy. like, that does sound right, but it's always cereal first. Like, I personally put cereal first and then milk, but I don't mind soggy cereal. Like, I don't really mind too much. And to be fair, I don't leave the milk and the cereal sitting there for like 10 minutes for it to get super soggy. If I had to put milk first, I would honestly just splash it everywhere. Like, it would be too much for me. Those are all the unpopular opinions I have today. I have been doing a lot of TikToks recently. I'm kind of obsessed. So if you want to go and follow me on that, you can. I'm now going to stick a skewer into the cake to see if it's done. If it's not, I'm gonna leave it in there for another 5 minutes. So guys, the banana bread is out of the oven. This is what she's looking like. She's quite dark, but I feel like most of them are like that anyway. What I'm gonna do is just pull these back gently, because I took it out like 5 minutes ago, and I'm just going to lift it out onto this cooling rack so that it can cool properly. That's what she's looking like. So yeah, that's what she's looking like. As you can see the banana chunk. I've just cut myself a slice. I'm gonna put a bit of cream because I do love cream. And not gonna lie, if you've never had cream with banana or banana loaf, banana cake, whatever, I highly recommend it. It's amazing. Honestly, that's amazing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. The cake is absolutely amazing. I don't think you can really go wrong. It just gets better every time. Basically, it's an amazing cake and I really recommend you make it. If you don't follow this video, obviously click in the link in the description to go and look at that recipe. It is now 9:20 and I am gonna go and have a bath. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video guys. Go ahead and follow my Instagram so that you can obviously have a say in what I record and what I upload. Links for my socials will be down below in the description. So yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up guys, and subscribe to my channel because I am a great YouTuber. And comment down below, which you never do, what you want to see. So yeah, love you all, bye.